हे व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू यूट्यूब चैनल डीके प्लानर। मैं हूं आपकी इंस्ट्रक्टर एडवोकेट उमेरा बेग। लॉ लेक्चर सीरीज़ में हमने एमसीक्यूज़ का आगाज़ किया है अकॉर्डिंग टू एचईसी और पीयू पैटर्न के अकॉर्डिंग। मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ that is beneficial for all competitive exams and testing services students like FPSC, PPSC, CSS, PMS, LLB 5 years and 3 year प्रोग्राम्स के लिए। और आप वॉच करते रहिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स से भी शेयर कीजिएगा ताकि सबको एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन में आसानी हो। इंटरनेशनल लॉ इज़ नॉट अ ट्रू लॉ बट अ पॉजिटिव इंटरनेशनल मोरालिटी। किसने कहा था? जॉन ऑस्टिन ने। हु इज़ नोन एज फादर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल लॉ? ग्रोटियस। Alabama claim arbitration determines the principles of neutrality. Decision of arbitration is binding on parties. Indo-Pakistan conflicts in 1965 was a war. Nationality of a woman as a result of marriage with a foreigner is changed. Tashkent Declaration between India and Pakistan is 1966 by USSR was a mediation. Geneva Convention for Pause was signed in 1949, also called Third Geneva. Armed attack on enemy fall under intervention. Bryant-Kellogg Pact was signed in Paris in 1928, 27th August 1928. Universal Declaration of Human Rights was passed by UN General Assembly in 1948. Truce is agreement of ceasefire. Concept of state will was first time given by Hegel. If a Pakistani citizen is involved counterfeiting US currency, US can claim jurisdiction over him on basis of principle of objective territoriality. Charged d'affaires appointed in foreign state has to report to Foreign Office. Charter of International Criminal Court was adopted in Rome Conference 1998. Genocide Convention 1951 protects the smaller minority groups. Extradition means exchange of criminal to other states. International Court of Justice can exercise its jurisdiction on with consent of all parties. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs हैं ये, अपने फ्रेंड्स से ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा और मज़ीद MCQs और इन्फॉर्मेशंस के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, देखते रहिएगा। नेक्स्ट हमारी सीरीज़ है इंटरनेशनल लॉ की। सिलेक्ट द बेस्ट ऑप्शन, आंसर, फिल ऑन द अप्रोप्रिएट बॉक्स। पाकिस्तानी बिकम द मेंबर ऑफ UNO in 1947. Article of UN Charter R111. Which article of State of ICJ International Court of Justice deals with the source of international law? 38. Secretary General of UNO is from South Korea. Total member of UNO are 192. The headquarter of International Court of Justice is Hague. Which article of 1982 Convention of the Law of the Sea deals with the breadth of territorial sea? 4. Who is called the father of the law of nation? Hugo Grotius. The Security Council takes enforcement measures with respect to threats to the peace under Chapter 7. Locarno Pact 1925 concluded between UK, France, Germany, Belgium and Italy. De jure belli et pace, the law of war and peace was written by Hugo Grotius. Contain 13. फर्दर सीरीज़ के लिए चैनल को वॉच करते रहिएगा। अल्लाह निगहबान।